Look at that ring on that brisket, y'all. Ooh, this baby's juicy. Check it out, y'all. Y'all better have a good Labor Day. Look at that. So tender too, y'all. Oh yeah. Please subscribe, y'all. Yes, sir. Look at that cornbread. Woohoo. Peace out. Oh yeah, y'all thought I was finished. Look at them black eyed peas, y'all, with them bell peppers and onion. Woo, look at them good old mixed greens, y'all. The bell peppers and onions in it, y'all, with a little vinegar. You know, we like a little vinegar in that thing, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Eating good, y'all. Oh, yeah, look at it, y'all. Ooh, y'all know I ain't playing in this kitchen, y'all. When I post something, it's right then and there. Woo. Peace out. God bless.